Hey guys, today we're doing a quick unboxing. Now, just in case, I bought this off Costco. It came as is, which I'm surprised. I'm not usually a fan of doing a box within a box. However, if you sent this out as is, then yes, the packaging got all messed up. It got damaged all the way around. So if this was a present for someone, I wouldn't give them this just because it's all beat up. Anyways, besides that, we want to see what's inside the box, and hopefully everything is good. So we're just gonna open this up. So inside we got this, so instruction manual, I'm guessing, plus warranty cards, yep. And now this guy. But again, I'm not happy about the shipping they did with this. But let's take this out. Hopefully everything's good inside. So inside I can see this comes separated into two parts, which is good for packaging. This is very, very light, by the way. Extremely light. Looks really nice. I know it looks like wood, and because of its lightness, it almost feels like wood. I guess because of the texture that they put this on, which is very smooth, yeah, but it looks almost exactly like wood. That's amazing. But it's actually really just plastic. So to look inside, that's how it looks like. That's gonna be the top portion, and that's where everything's gonna come out of. Now here we got the base. Yeah, it looks normal. Now from here you might notice that this comes out, and it's supposed to. So at this point you guys are seeing everything that comes within the box. Very simple. We got our bottom right here. We got the guy that goes on the top, and then our base. Plus some manuals right here. So let's look at the bottom first. So I can tell you it feels pretty lightweight as well. There's a little bit more heaviness to it, but that's obvious because everything's right here. So if you look at the top, we can just lift this up. Okay, now this will lift up from here, and inside, here's everything kind of that matters. Okay, inside, that's the machine itself. So let's just turn this around. Now here's a close-up. It does look kind of weird, this gap right here that the button has. So the finishing, not the greatest, not sure why that's like that. But anyways, that's just a button. Anyways, this is the bottom part of it. So obviously the whole mechanism is inside of here. We're just gonna connect this up to some electricity later on. And now let's look at this guy, which is the container itself. There's not much to say about it. It's just plastic. Nothing actually fancy about this. It does say to replace the water in the tank daily. Yeah, that's the instructions right here. Nothing more about it. Anyways, I will be doing a video, setup video, show you guys how this works exactly, how you're supposed to set it up, including this bottom portion, which as I showed you already, you can pull it out, which you will be doing way later actually with that, but initially you're gonna keep that most likely a long time. Then we have our top portion, which is the longest part about this. Anyways, the top portion, this is fairly thin plastic, but it doesn't feel flimsy, so I can't just move this around, so it feels okay. I think as long as you don't slam it against the ground, it won't break, but if I do drop this, I do feel like it's gonna break. Just not slamming it too hard, then we should be okay. So let's just set this up how it's supposed to be for now. So that's supposed to go right there, and then this guy on the top. Then on the bottom, we have our stand, which is gonna go right here. So there we go, that's our stand. That's all the assembly that you guys need to do. Again, I will have a setup video review about this way later on. So I just wanted to show you what comes inside that package of papers. It's just not really a warranty card, it's the registration card, which they're kind of useless nowadays, but it's right in there. And our user manual, which you will not need since I'm making a video showing you guys how to actually manage this guy and how it works exactly. So you won't be reading this. So what I can tell you about this guy right here, that it's not huge, but it's pretty big. It's bigger than most diffusers that you guys seen most likely online. Anyways, just to give you a quick glance at maybe an idea of how big this is, here's the disc. It's just a game that I have for a PS4. If you guys have an Xbox, these cases are about the same size. So that's how big that is compared to this. So hopefully you guys play video games. So that would be the size. Just to get you an idea of how big this is. I know in videos it's kind of hard for me to show you. Even my size could be kind of weird. But once you compare it to something standard like this and then this guy, you kind of get a glance of how big and thick this is. Because it is fairly big. It does look like wood. So if you look at it firsthand, it looks exactly like wood, but it is all plastic. Here's a quick close-up. It's gonna be a little bit shaky. Sorry about that, guys. Just wanted you guys to see it a little bit closer. Here's the top portion of it, and going down. It's a very nice design, sleek design. This will look good anywhere. Now here's the side. This is the silhouette type of shape that you guys get. And then on the back, there's nothing. There's nothing throughout this. It's just the buttons right here. And there's nothing around it. Just like you guys saw it about a second ago. Hopefully this video gave you a quick glance at how this looks like. If you guys want to watch the review, that's coming up in a few weeks. Apart from that, we have the setup video, which comes out right away. So watch out for that video right here in my channel. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.